Make me laugh.
I once fell in love with an encyclopedia. I was completely infatuated.
Seriously. Hey guys, what's up? This is Yash and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. And today in this video I'm going to tell you 10 amazing tips and tricks for this ColorOS 5.2. So let's get started. So guys, the ColorOS on this Realme U1 is not that great, and also any ColorOS on any Realme smartphone is not that great. The interface is very bad, but it has some really cool features inbuilt. So today in this video I'm going to show you those cool features. So first, starting from the one which I really like is the Smart Scan. So this Realme U1 has a pre-installed app called Smart Scan, which is here. So this app has many cool features, but let's start from this scan and document. So with this option, you can simply scan your document like this. And after scanning the document, here you will get an option for recognize text. And with this option, you can actually convert an image into text form, which is super cool and useful, as you can see. And also guys, coming to the next feature is the shoot and translate and scan and translate. So with this, you can simply take the image of the text which you want to translate like this. And also with this option, you can live translate the text like this. Simply lock it like this. And as you can see, it translated Hindi to English. And guys, it's a very useful feature. If you are traveling around the world, it's a very handy feature. So next up is the 3-finger gestures. So with this Realme U1, if you swipe down with the 3 fingers like this, it will take a screenshot. But let's say if you are in this app and now you have to do the split screen, usually you have to go to the multitasking and do the split screen. But with the ColorOS 5.2, you can simply swipe up with 3 fingers like this, and here you can open any application. Like here I will go for the calculator, and it's a super useful feature, I have to say. It saves lots of time. So next feature is for eyes is the night mode. So for this feature, first go to the settings and here go to the display and brightness, and here go to night shield and enable it like this. So guys, as you can see, the display has become warmer to the yellow. Also you can set the temperature like this. So guys, with this feature, what will happen that you will get more better sleep, because blue light is not good for your eyes. And with this feature, the smartphone will reduce the blue light. And also guys, you can schedule it by your timing from here. Overall guys, I would say it's a great feature and everyone should enable it. So next up is this notch. So I don't know for what reason you will hate this notch, because I love this notch design. But if you still hate the notch, by default there is no option in the settings that you can totally hide this notch. But you can install a third-party application called this Nacho Notch, and with this app you can simply hide it like this. So next up is the swipe up navigation gesture. So for this, first go to the settings, then go to smart and convenient, and here go to the navigation keys. And here guys, you can tweak your navigation settings, and also you can enable this swipe up gesture navigation. First, the navigation controls will get hidden, and also you can cover more things on your screen. And with this option, it's very easy to navigate around phone. For multitasking, you simply have to swipe up and hold. And for home screen, you simply have to do swipe up, and for back you can simply swipe up from left or right like this, and it will go back. It's very convenient while you are using your phone. So next feature is again related with this smart and convenient option. So first go to in this option, then go to the gesture and motion. And guys, from this option you can simply change the way you interact with your smartphone. So first let's go to this screen of gestures and enable it. So here it has the option for double tap to wake up, draw O to start camera, and draw V to turn on flashlight. And also you can control music, and also you can add the gesture and customize it by yourself like this. And also next, it has smart call, and if you enable this auto answer option, you can simply answer the calls by taking your phone near your ear. It's super cool. Also you can flip to mute the calls. And here it has some other features, and by default it's already enabled, like raise to turn on the screen. And guys, if you use Face ID on your smartphone, you can simply raise your smartphone and it will get turned on like this. It's super cool. So next option is again with this smart and convenient option. So first go into this option and then go to this full screen multitasking and enable it. And guys, with this option, let's say you are in a landscape mode on any app like this YouTube app, and from here you can simply multitask on any application like this. It's a very time saving feature, I have to say. So next up is the Google Assistant from power button. So for this feature, you simply have to press the power button for half a second like this, and you can wake up the Google Assistant like this. Let's say if you have to ask any questions or any currency rate or anything, you can simply press the power button for half second and you can ask it. It's a super useful feature. So next up is the phone manager, and by default it has the app called phone manager. Go in that and here go to common problems detection. So guys, with these options, what will happen that many times guys, what happens, you have a problem in your phone and you can't decide whether it's a software problem or a hardware problem. But with this app you can detect whether it's a software or an hardware problem. Simply select this detect now option and start detection, and it will simply scan your smartphone and search for